Hi guys, I know I have a camera, I should be filming from that, but I have to empty footage from that, and it's a long story. But I'm here to tell you that even though the title of this video says first few days of 2025, it's like I'm skipping the first part of it, but we are starting from 2nd January, which is tomorrow, when like I have a girls' date and I have like a few things planned for tomorrow and day after. Okay, don't hate me, I'm being honest. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin, and here's the thing. I know I look very ganda, and I am vlogging for the first time in 2025. So yeah, and my camera is almost full. So अभी मैं फ़ोन से vlog कर रही हूँ. Basically मेरे कैमरा में पहले के 2 vlogs पड़े हैं, and it's not actually full, but it is full. मतलब मैं उसमें पूरा दिन ब्लॉग नहीं कर पाऊंगी, एंड देयर इज नो पॉइंट. सो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ पापा के पास, उन्हें बोलूँगी मेरा कैमरा खाली करके दो, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, आई एम 18 बट आई स्टिल नीड माई मॉम एंड डैड. माई पेरेंट्स आर लाइक फुल्ली नो एक्सेप्ट. मॉम, हैव यू टेकन अ बाथ? एवरीवनस टेकन अ बाथ एक्सेप्ट फॉर मी. इसे व्लॉग बोलते हैं, जिससे मैं पैसे कमाती हूँ.
अगर होन गया तो ले आवांगी ना. तू तो प्राइवेट जेट में घूमेगी जीवन में.
सी इट्स लाइक इट्स इनएविटेबल. एनीवेज, कैमरा, इससे 2 व्लॉग्स निकालने.
सिंगल चादर.
I'll explain it to him and get back. Bye guys. Hi guys. Oh wait. So last time I was vlogging, मैंने कहीं तो हाथ डाल दिया like कैमरा पे, and it sort of like disturbed the mic, and I don't know वो कहाँ है, and I'm still trying to figure out. So yeah, I got this Santa Claus doing number 2. I don't know why I have this. But here is the plan for today. Oh my god, I missed vlogging so much. Here is the plan for today. हम लोग पहले नहाने वाले हैं. This is a very bad state that I'm in. I'm literally wearing like a Batman t-shirt. I don't even know why. And I am supposed to put up that vision board over there. I am supposed to... What else am I supposed to do? What else am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to start getting ready. By 12:30 my friend will leave from nearby. She'll come pick me up. And then we're going to Bandra. I don't think you've ever seen somebody be this happy about going to Bandra. Anyways, पता है मुझे कितने सारे लोगों का कमेंट आया था कि तुम्हें हिंदी में बात करनी नहीं आती क्या? And I'm like, bro, let me tell you something. Yesterday मैं अपने वीडियोस देख रही थी बचपन के, ठीक है, उसमें मैं बनी थी हिंदी माता. And there was this one line, और मुझे ये नहीं पता मैं क्यों अपने ही देश से सिसक रही हूँ. अपने ही गम में चुपचाप सिसक रही हूँ. आई थिंक मीन्स क्राइंग. लेट मी आस्क मॉम. आई स्टिल डोंट नो ब्रो. आई एम 18. आई शुड बी नोइंग.
I don't do this.
मेरी मम्मी ने मार्केट लगा दी है यार.
I don't like it.
100 की दो.
I do. Sorry though. मैं वैसे upset हूँ मेरा.
Okay, I'm kidding. But मम्मी, वो कल जो मैं हिंदी माता का वीडियो हम देख रहे थे, मेरी क्या एक सेकंड रुको, मम्मी बताएगी, मेरे को लाइन भी नहीं याद है ढंग से.
I taught her this that I'm already shooting me like this. So I taught her that you have to say कि अपने ही देश में अपना अस्तित्व खोती मैं हिंदी सिसक रही हूँ मतलब रो रही हूँ. इसने पता क्या बोला था? खिसक रही हूँ. And then she had a slap from me, which is not there in the video of course, but she had it.
You guys think I don't have a strict mother? Guys, जितने थप्पड़ मैंने खाए बचपन में ना, उतने किसी ने नहीं खाए होंगे. I doubt किसी ने उतने थप्पड़ खाए होंगे जितने मैं. And बच्चों को थप्पड़ पड़ते थे मस्ती करने के लिए. मेरे को मस्ती करने के लिए थप्पड़ नहीं पड़ते थे. मुझे गलत डायलॉग बोलने में थप्पड़ पड़ते थे y'all.
Yes.
And she is gonna back that up because I'm not lying.
I was a competitive mother, but not competitive in studies, only in co-curriculars. I wanted
Because उसमें वो खुद अच्छी थी ना.
Hello?
She was good in co-curriculars more than she was in studies. She was good in dance. Yeah, even I was good in studies, but you were better in co-curriculars. तो वही I'm saying ना. तो वही same मेरे साथ हुआ.
Co-curricular is more important than studying. I knew this from day one.
But wait, no. The problem was that I was a child. This lady here made me revise 1 page का हिंदी शुद्ध में dialogue, and if I said it wrong, she would slap the shit out of me. Like, guys, not just like, क्या कर रही है? Pot!
And her dadu would scold me like anything because he said, बच्चा है वो, छोड़ दो उसको.
नहीं पापा, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, कब से सिखा रही हूँ मैं ये.
अब now I regret it.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I do regret it.
She does not.
I do.
I feel like
I'm not able to find that inner soul.
same mother, same. Even I can't find my inner soul.
Oh, soulmate. Inner soul, exterior soul, interior soul.
अरे इसके
साला घर बन रहा है क्या? एक्सटीरियर इंटीरियर.
अरे अभी तक तो यहाँ पूरा ये बना हुआ था.
Yes.
ये जाएगा मेरे ब्लॉग में.
क्या
यही.
घर बन रहे हैं?
हाँ.
तू तो बेटा जेट में ही घूमी हो प्राइवेट.
हाँ obviously. Duh.
हैं? रोल्स रॉयस से कम से गाड़ी नहीं निकलती.
हाँ सीरियसली पता मेरे पापा तंग आ गए. जब कोई गाड़ी का नाम रोल्स रॉयस में घूमना है.
मेरे पापा को भी घूमना है इसीलिए.
हाँ
फिर मेरे को तो पीछे बैठूंगा ना, मैं एंजॉय करूंगा.
हाँ तो रोल्स रॉयस पीछे बैठने के लिए ही होती है.
able to find it.
फिर रोज ले क्यों रहे हो? कोई भी गाड़ी ले लो, पीछे बैठना है.
नहीं रोल्स पता है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, जब तुम्हारा मन है तब तुम हायर कर लो 3 दिन तो 4 दिन,
Best है.
1.5 हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते. बाकी गाड़ी लेनी है तो पोर्शा लो.
चलाओ पोर्शा.
गाइस मैं बाद में करती हूँ, मेरी मम्मी थोड़ी हो रही है. I just did like a sort of cleanup at home and that's why my face is all red. I also need to like this part of my face and I need to go like dip my face in ice water, so we're gonna go do that. I literally have only 15 minutes because my friend has left and I am here like an idiot who isn't even ready. And I swear to God, if something goes wrong right now, I will lose my entire mind. And oh yeah, this. जो मैं इतना 10 मिनट में रेडी हुई, मेरे रेडी होते ही उसका टेक्स्ट आया, हाई जस्ट लेफ्ट. And then I realized that वो pickup in 8 minutes जो लिखा था, it was actually for her house pickup and not my house pickup. At least I look good. मेरा लैपटॉप बाहर है and उसके अंदर अभी भी कैमरा से फुटेज एक्सपोर्ट हो रही है. That is gonna take time and I am only thing I'm stressed about is जब तक वो आएगी तब तक ये होएगा या नहीं होएगा. And thank God my nails are done. I feel so bad, so good when that my nails are done. I'm carrying this brown bag. My life is a joke. At least I washed my hair and they look good. Guys, the glam I can do in 10 minutes is insane. Even to me. I'm so proud of myself. I think I finally am starting to get why people are assuming I'm like 25. With this face, even I would assume I'm like 23. This is my outfit. I'm wearing blue boots, blue jeans, black vest, gold jewelry and maroon plus I don't know what this is. Why is it going out of focus? Okay, aa gaya, let's back. Hi Riya. This is the first time she's being featured on my channel.
True. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Where are we going?
We're going to Mokai. We're going to Mokai. Fine. I hope इस बार.
नहीं, I called up. I was like, मैं 2 बार आई हूँ. I'm not standing in a waiting.
Sorry, can you imagine? I have been there thrice and I was just bahar and they're like 1 hour. I'm like, chuck it. I'm going again. Leave it.
I went. I called up and I'm like, what's the scene?
Yeah.
Is it crowded?
Yeah.
What is it? He's like, right now though it's not crowded. I said, what about in an hour or so? Like, होगा? He's like, नहीं आज वाले दिन में I think शाम को होगा वरना नहीं होगा. I said, बस. Sorted.
Perfect. I really hope it stays the same. I really hope we can.
I want to just walk in.
Yeah.
I don't want to
I don't want to
stand.
stand even for 5 minutes. अब वो वाली
Seriously.
जगह के बाहर.
वहाँ पे बहुत लाइनें ऐसे लगती है जैसे like free का कुछ बन रहा है भाई. Okay, I'm gonna shut
Crazy,
this. I look idiotic.
You don't. I love the curls.
I do love the
Love the
curls.
curls.
I'll teach that trick on my YouTube.
Please do. I'll be your first viewer.
Yes.
Save करूँगी मैं. नहीं होता ना YouTube पे
YouTube
save.
पे सेव नहीं होता I think. YouTube पे like होता है बस. Like करो तो तुम्हारे like
हाँ,
videos
like
में आ
videos
जाता
में
है.
आ जाता है.
that has made me not like a lot of videos, you know. I literally think it's like, will if anyone sees this,
इसमें आ जाएगा, मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ वहाँ पे क्योंकि सेव नहीं होता, सेव का अलग ऑप्शन होना चाहिए.
Exactly भाई. और फालतू का liked videos कौन दिखाता है भाई?
I think if they did saved, then it would be like copying the rest of the apps. That's why Snapchat also doesn't have saved.
Maybe.
Snapchat पे तो likes भी नहीं दिखाता भाई.
अच्छा है, कुछ मत दिखाओ, सही है. जितना कम वैलिडेशन उतना अच्छा है भाई.
Views दिखा दे, अगर 1000 के ऊपर आया ना
हाँ, व्यूज दिखाओ
तो
बस,
views
उससे
आएगा.
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमें.
भाई मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मिड पार्टीशन मेरे पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
नहीं, आई थिंक गर्ल्स में मिड पार्टीशन ही अच्छा लगता है ज्यादा.
Really?
या
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं. I'm so bad at fashion. I don't even know what I'm doing.
looks good.
नहीं, this is too heavy. नहीं, mid ठीक है. Okay, we're done.
Every goal ever. बहुत गर्म है बॉडी.
I have to put like captions to this because आवाज I doubt आएगी.
हाँ.
It's good.
I love it.
Rate cut.
9 on 10. 8 on 10, 9 on 10. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's that good.
Let's give it a try, guys.
It is.
8, 9. No, see, exactly. Easy. It's spicy.
Yeah,
But not spicy.
Also, bad is spicy.
It's like aftertaste is spicy.
Yeah, exactly. And for somebody who likes sweet, so starting में थोड़ा sweet आ रहा है, then it's spicy.
Spicy.
What I like.
You have to try this. This is amazing.
Same thing that you said, normal coffee with like strawberry, कुछ उसमें essence type डाल दिया ऐसा लगता है.
I like the lemon flavor.
You like it?
नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Last में थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा. एक से it gets worse.
What's lemon? 7. Man, like 6 for me is bad.
Guys, I have to show you this. This is by far the best washroom I have ever been in, and I know this is not something that you would want to hear in a video like a vlog, but you have to come to Mokai and visit this washroom at least once. So, you know, I just saw this Bahar se, and the reason I came was because of these lights. Ignore the background, he's crazy, something he's talking. But look, there is medicine, there is like face wash, there is some, this so I don't think anyone would use, but there is like so much stuff. See, there are chocolates. It's like, if you're gonna plan on starting a cafe, please make sure that these are the things in your washroom, because I think these are things that everyone needs. And you know what I like? I like the variety. So they have one for women and they have one for men. I am literally shocked because I've never seen this in any washroom ever. Like in 18 years, I have literally traveled a lot. I have gone to so many cafes, I've gone so many places. Never ever have I seen this in a washroom. So somebody's trying to come, but go to this place.
she took this amazing picture of me.
Hot. Yeah, it is. Yo.
It's not focusing
you
on
in
me.
it. Yeah, because of the trees. Okay, yeah. See, look at this picture. It's so cute. तो रिया is like excessively like गौरी को बताना है वो अच्छी दिखती है.
हाँ भाई, this is Gauri. This is basically Gauri in my head.
Yeah, that's
This picture defines Gauri in my head.
there's like one picture of me
Yeah,
and
she's
every
just pouting and she's just looking up, and then that's just her. This is her personality.
This is
in a
my whole
picture.
personality.
Yeah, this is a whole personality in a picture, man. For real, look now.
Just looks like me.
Now that I think of it, it just looks like me.
But I like it.
Of course.
I like this amazing personality of me.
अब मैं नहीं करूँगी तारीफ क्योंकि तूने अपनी कर ली ना. अब मैं नहीं करूँगी.
Can I? Should I? नहीं. कैमरा आगे से ज्यादा भारी है, आगे गिरेगा. हाँ यार, सीधा. Total I do. They should keep vlogging essentials everywhere. This is.
Like a washroom.
I am. Yeah.
ठीक है कैफे में.
No, I will like beat the idea out like in Mumbai Sida. We came up with a great idea, guys. Like amazing. We are proud of ourselves.
We are.
So
we should
try
do
it.
it. We should try it. I don't think कि मुंबई में ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ है अभी तक.
We will mint money.
Money, exactly. This is the time. Let's go.
And like 20s for me, no, for you.
Imagine 20s is the time for like backgrounds and everything, having like proper setups of like you can put your
Like there
camera.
are thousands of everywhere and like those sticky things. You can like put it everywhere you want. You can put it anywhere you want.
The chocolate because she said it's
okay.
really
हाँ,
good.
Yeah.
Genuinely, I like cheesecake. So there's no way I think you cannot like this one. I think I'll be more. I'll be more inclined to this one. I'm a cheesecake fan. If you don't like cheesecake, you won't like this. But rate. 9.5. Easy. Love it. So good.
Hi guys. बाहर जा रहे हैं आइसक्रीम खाने. हाय गाइस, ऐसा जुगाड़ लगा के कैमरा सेट किया है ना मैंने, लिटरली पिल्लो पे ऐसे अटका के पता नहीं क्या किया है. मैं आइसक्रीम खा रहा हूँ बट यार मैं ढूंढ लूँ क्या ट्राइपॉड. बेसिकली आई हैव बीन डूइंग अ स्किन केयर फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम. लाइक अभी थोड़े दिन ही हुए हैं एक्चुअली, नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, सॉरी, नॉट क्वाइट सम. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट दो. या I've been doing some. Personally, I saw a difference. A lot of people told me that, like, asked me, what do we do for like clear skin? I have a lot of acne marks. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब basically acne marks है and my skin is like dryish. It's not very oily. I have been using मेरा Nivea वाला face wash, Derma वाला जो Nivea का range है face wash and scrub का that. Plus I've been using Himalaya का toner and Garnier का vitamin C वाला serum. I do skincare only at night. I washed my face for 3 days and I did steam and उसके साथ साथ blackheads निकालना. उससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है, पता है. I never actually thought कि बहुत फ़र्क पड़ेगा, but बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. Wash your face every single day, morning and night. I do it mostly night. तो मतलब I have sworn, I literally took it for a sleepover. I have sworn it कि नाइट को तो धोना ही है. दिन में एक बार धुले ना धुले चलेगा. एंड आई एम ट्राइंग स्किन केयर एंड मेरे वाले उसमें इट हैज सैलिसिलिक एसिड एंड ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट श्योर. सैलिसिलिक तो है ही. मेरी आइसक्रीम टूट गई है. ये तुम लोग के साथ बात करते हुए ही होता है. I must be looking like an idiot. Hi guys, so I know I haven't spoken to you guys सुबह से. मैं अभी आप लोग को कल का सीन बताती हूँ क्या हुआ. मैंने सुबह से कोई बात क्यों नहीं की है और मैं गायब क्यों हो गई एकदम से. सो हियर्स द थिंग. पहले मैं कल सुबह आई, लाइक कल शाम को आई रिया से मिलके. इट वॉज रियली गुड. लाइक बिकॉज हम दोनों कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, एक रैपो बैठ जाता है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? लाइक we have lot of same opinions. Like a lot. Like we don't like talking about politics and anything to anybody. We don't like putting our opinions much out there because इतना judgment हो जाता है, इतना irritating हो जाता है, just मन ही नहीं करता है तुम्हारा. And lot of small things and we really connected. So I enjoyed it. I enjoyed yesterday and I'm going to meet her again today. And my storage in this camera is full. It's full. I am proud. Wow, Gauri. But here's the thing. अभी आज का मैं सीन बताती हूँ. आज क्या हुआ? मैं सुबह उठी 6 बजे. सुबह के 6 बजे मैं उठी. Can you imagine? Who is this girl? I don't know her. I don't wake up at 6 a.m. bro. Unless I have to shoot a YouTube video, I don't wake up at 6 a.m. I woke up. I went to the beach. We decided we'll go to the beach. देखेंगे कुछ खाने को मिल जाएगा. We actually planned कि बीच पे वॉक करेंगे. Proper एस्थेटिक. कुछ नहीं हुआ. हम भूखे थे. हम गए कहीं तो हम बहुत छोले भटूरे ढूंढ रहे थे. हम सुबह सुबह लिटरली हम हर जगह छोले भटूरे ढूंढ रहे हैं. उसके बाद छोले भटूरे मिले, खाए एंड रिग्रेट किया क्योंकि मैं 3 घंटे की नींद पे थी. डम. मैं लिटरली अपने दोस्त के घर जाके सो गई. आई स्लेप्ट नाइसली, वेरी नाइसली. आई एम लाइक अभी. उसके बाद आई सॉ द टाइम एंड इट वॉज लाइक 11:45 एंड दूर नहीं रहता वो. एंड लाइक हम लोग 4-5 लोग गए थे एक साथ. सब वहाँ पे थे. मैं अंदर जाके मैं वापस आई और फिर मेरा एक माई मैनेजिंग टीम. तो आई हैव लाइक 1 असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. आई हैव लाइक अ मेन मैनेजर जिसको मैं कंसल्ट कर सकती हूँ, वरना असिस्टेंट मैनेजर इज मैनेजिंग ऑल द कॉन्वर्जेशन विद ब्रांड्स एंड स्टफ, एंड 1 head manager who is managing the whole team. And the head manager has like 18 different people under her, and everybody has like 5 creators under them. So it's a whole web which is actually very well curated. Had this team call and I was super confused कि मैं क्या लिखूँ because I was नींद में. But I still wrote a few things down, what my goals are, ये वो, and मुझे क्या idea आया during the call and what ideas they gave me. It really lifted my mood. हाय गाइस, गेस मैं किसको मिलने आई हूँ फिर से. वेट वी विल इसमें आवाज नहीं आएगी उतनी. रिया.
I'm a regular अब गौरी के vlog में.
She'll be very regular because we live close by.
See, कल भी शायद हम लोग साथ में बाहर
Oh हाँ.
क्रिएटर हो भाई.
She's gonna be a regular person in my vlogs from now on because I don't have a lot of friends. So yeah, I don't. कहाँ है मेरे पास दोस्त भाई? तूने मेरे दोस्त देखे हैं आज तक कोई? अच्छा वो बाहर है अलेक्सा.
They're showing the outfit.
कैसे करना है? साथ में करना है अलग? I think एक अलग अलग किया तो साथ में करना. I just realized what you were doing.
I did not know that, guys.
That is
I
going
just this is so.
सही होगा थोड़ा.
नहीं सिखा.
ये चाहेगा. किसको पता है मैं कौन हूँ पीछा? सबको.
ना मैं बता दूँ. पहली बार इज्जत मिली है ना तो वो उठ रही है.
कोई 4th इंसान दिख रहा है?
This is your first time in Mahavir Nagar. What do you think? I think खाने के बाद पता चलेगा खाना ही है. चाप. I think मेरे ऑडियंस को पता है that I'm more of a Delhi food type of person. I love Delhi food. नहीं, 60% 70% Delhi food. You are going to change your bio to this, no? Oh, you did not अभी तक. Delhi क्या था? Delhi food और Mumbai bio. Yeah. I'll change it. अभी करते हैं. Yeah. Delhi food लिखा है. ये सब करती हूँ. That's my problem. I think we're good. You did.
Not really.
I'm impressed.
Legit Delhi? Very legit?
Sort of.
Nice.
Like I think it's more than halfway to Delhi.
Nice.
Made of like malai se banta hai.
Soya.
Soya, yeah. This is good. This is good. This is good. Pretend like it's your first time. You're an actor. Come on. Let's go.
No, I haven't been taught for this. No, yaar, I used to go to the gym here itself. And every week, twice after the gym, we used to just come over here and have soya chunk.
क्या फायदा जिम का?
Soya has protein. 100 grams of soya has 50 grams of protein.
This is an excuse for me, भाई. मेरे को मत
It is
बोलो.
also.
I should actually.
Oh, damn.
Oh my god, I'm eating it for the very first time. Wow, man.
No, every time I eat it, it's still that good, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Damn. मैं अभी dinner- Let's go.
I like sushi, so I hope I like this.
You will.
Great. 8.5. अच्छा 8.5.
8.5. Nice. Okay, that's a good.
This is high taste.
Oh, they've got very green looking wasabi. Huh?
What's the video? I am not eating wasabi. Once I ate it and I regret it till date. Rate it. What's the high taste?
It's a 9. Good 9.
It's pretty good.
हाय गाइस, वेरी शिटी एंगल आई नो, बट मेरे को और कोई एंगल मिला नहीं. हमें मेकअप उतारना है एंड मेरा माइसेलर वाटर इज़ बेसिकली ओवर, सो आई जस्ट होप कि अभी लास्ट हो जाए, क्योंकि एवरी टाइम आई हैव टू रिमूव माई मेकअप. दिस इज़ ऑल आई होप फॉर. आई शॉट अ रील टुडे. वी वेंट टू खाओ गली एंड कांदिवली, जहाँ मुझे कितने टाइम से जाना था बट मैं जा ही नहीं पा रही थी बिकॉज मना कर देते तो दोस्त भाई कोई चलने को तैयार ही नहीं होता था. तो फाइनली लाइक माई फ्रेंड्स agreed and they were like, okay, we can go. So we traveled to Khao Gali. Like it was a whole other thing. Bro, the makeup is insane. इतना अच्छा लगता है ना इतने टाइम बाद ब्लॉग शूट करके. It's like वो comfort है, but editing is a whole job. और प्लस इंस्टा के कोलैब्स काफ़ी बढ़ गए हैं मेरे, तो क्योंकि इंस्टा के कोलैब ऐसे आते हैं. पता है, इफ़ यू गाइस डोंट नो, आई टेल यू दिस थिंग. आई थिंक अगर आप लोग और क्रिएटर्स को फॉलो करते हो, किसी ना किसी ने तो ये बात खोली होगी. विद कोलैब्स इट इज़ नेवर टेक योर टाइम. यू नो, इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक हमने तुम्हें परसों प्रोडक्ट्स भेजे, तुमने अभी तक हमें वीडियो क्यों नहीं दिया है. एंड आई एम लाइक ब्रो, तुमने मेरे को थोड़ी बताया था कि मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स परसों तक आ जाएंगे एंड मैं रेडी. लाइक यू नो, दे एक्सपेक्ट कि आज वीडियो भेजो एंड दिल भी लाइक नहीं, हमें कैंपेन क्लोज करना है, हमें ये करना है, हमें वो करना है. एंड उस केस में सी वी आर ऑल्सो अर्निंग मनी फ्रॉम दिस, सो वी कांट से नो. अब इसमें क्या होता है, दे नो दैट वी कांट से नो. दे विल पुट सो मच प्रेशर ऑन द क्रिएटर. नहीं, हमें कैंपेन क्लोज करना है, हमें ये, हमें वो, वी कांट डिले, आज के आज दो, आज के आज दो, आज के आज दो. तुम वीडियो उस दिन, सेम दिन तुम भेज दो वीडियो, ठीक है, एंड उसके बाद दे विल टेक 4-5 days टू रिस्पॉन्ड. एंड हम लाइक ये चलता है. मतलब मैं वीडियो डिले करूँ थोड़ा बिकॉज आई एम बिजी, लाइक आई हैव 1000 other things to do. That is not okay. But you are nicely delaying the video. So why should I be the one sending it कल के कल, आज के आज. I literally have a video aligned for tomorrow. And उसका तो मैंने actually काफ़ी डिले किया है, तो उनका तो I totally understand. But there have been brands who literally are like आज के आज and उसके बाद उनका वीडियो जाता है 1.5 हफ्ते बाद and I'm like bro what you told me तुम्हें कल के कल वीडियो डालना है and then you do this and you can't even say that to brands. relation बना के रखो. इतना annoy होता है ना, इतना annoy होता है. I feel like being in a professional surrounding really tests your patience because you have to somehow get used to the fact that it's not gonna work according to you. It feels so good to remove makeup from your face. Like the way your face starts to glow after removing makeup is amazing. I need to like get out of this outfit because I'm very frustrated. Also guys, I'm telling you, get back to the OGs. This Vaseline ka chotu bottle is so freaking helpful. Let me tell you, I use it on my lips every single day. My lips, not right now, but have actually started to heal. And जितने सारे cracks है इतने ज़्यादा थे and अभी वो काफ़ी कम हो गए हैं and I'm really liking that. I wash my face with this every single day. Here is the thing. Basically, yesterday I was at Ria's house, as you guys know, and she taught me that I need to start leveling up my background game. Basically, she didn't say that, I said that, and then she said you can do this. But here is what I come up with. Here is what I came up with so far, and I don't know how it looks, but I like it. So I'm thinking of this as, oh wait, no wait, how do I explain this? So like from the mirror to this way, so like itna frame hoga, and let me show you the stuff that I've kept. It's like just basic stuff, but it looks aesthetic if kept together. So I'm really liking it, and let me know what you think. Guys, I don't know how much of this you guys are gonna understand, but I am shooting a brand promotion right now, and this is my setup. Wait, camera is here of course, and like this basically is my setup, and look at this mess. Just look at it. I am embarrassed and I've given up. And you know what happened? So my mom literally took the mic, and I told her I have to shoot this brand promotion. She forgot about it. She took both the mics. We have literally 2 mics. So we have one Rode and one Boya, one that connects with the phone and one that can connect with anything like laptop, camera, all of it. And she took it. And now I'm stranded. So I had to use my phone ka recording thing, and now I'll have to maybe match the clips. Agar isme acha aaya, then well and good. Nahi to I'll have to sit and do that. So it's a whole process. Yeah, the editing has begun, y'all. It's like, this is a very fun editing. I feel like I'm in the mood to work today, so I will try to complete as much as I possibly can. Hi guys, it is, what's the time?
The time is 11:17 p.m.
It is 11:17 p.m. and this is the state of my room. Clearly it's a mess, and frankly my energy is so drained right now. I need to like first of all change, because being in such jeans and all is really frustrating, and I have to start cleaning up because it's 11 p.m. and I can't ask my helper to do it because itte raat ko nahi. And I have to meet Ria tomorrow again. You guys can like literally comment that I've met Ria 3 times in 1 week. Okay, let's start, because yeah. guys, I am supposed to edit and post this vlog today itself. I just finished editing the rough draft and I realized I did not end this vlog. It is the 10th of January today, and after this we sort of just like the next day, me, Riya and Harsh, we went out and watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. We also went to Pooji and we also went to some dessert place, some really good dessert place, and I forgot the name. But yeah, we went to those places and we roamed and we chilled, and I did not vlog that because honestly I was actually confused कि मैं vlog करूँ या नहीं, because ये वाला vlog in itself बहुत लंबा बन गया था, and उसको छोड़ के जो other side था was like I was too like done, because मैं पूरा time vlog कर रही थी for like 3 to 4 days straight, and वो बहुत hectic हो गया था. तो मैंने सोचा बस बंद करते हैं, वरना there's no point of vlogging and then not making it interesting. उससे अच्छा 4 दिन डालते हैं जो interesting है, right? This is the end of this vlog, sadly, but I will see you guys in my next vlog, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye.